Isn't this adorable? Oh my gosh. Okay, so Reddit is now, IPO since a couple of days ago. This is adorable for all the Reddit users that have, been out there always holding it down with Reddit. Let's just get into the chart. All right. So Reddit started a couple of days back ago. All right. Okay, this here, Thursday. So now let's look what we're doing. We have support here. It went up. So this was the $52 line. Went up to 54. Okay, great. Came back down, tested that support, up again. So here we are. This is Monday trading. Here we are going into today, Tuesday. All right. You see it came back down, okay? You're looking at the right side. It came back down. It has support, it seems, at the $60 level, $59, $60 level, right? Is up here on the pre-market. So when the market opens, it'll show it's up here, right? My point is, I wanted to let you know, the levels that it's trading on, where it seems to be some support, okay, in case it comes back down. So one of the things you need to know when things go up quick, this is a little Reddit website, right? When things go up quick, they can come down quick. So be careful. Be careful with your trading. But I just wanted to, show you that real quick because, Reddit, IPO. So, congratulations to all the people who have been holding and, using Reddit for a long time. The shares are up 30%. Okay. It's a lot that everybody's looking forward to with this. Okay. So congratulations. Just be careful because it's a meme stock. So it doesn't have to, go along with traditional means of trading and everything. Okay. Just wanted to shout that out real quick, and I'll talk to you another time on anything that moves. Bye for now.